Welcome. We're going to try a new format with speech over clipping cam, and in the future I'll combine it with the lawn view, so we'll alternate between two and have the voiceover over the top of that. Usually when I'm using clipping cam, I use middle to later part of the clipping cam view because that section of the video has longer cutting rings, which usually has more appealing clippings flying towards the camera, which I like. In this instance, though, about 5-6 minutes in, the leaves got caught on the lens, and that pretty much blocked most of the view, made for not good viewing of the video. And as we approached the lawn view, I tried uploading the lawn view to the video editing software I use, and it wouldn't recognise it. So when I'd set up my camera on my phone, it clearly didn't have the correct settings for the editing software I had. That's not ideal, but it's all a learning curve, as I say, which in my mind always means something has gone wrong. Plans for the future. As I get more comfortable, as you can hear, I'm not hugely comfortable yet, but I'll get there. With this format, future episodes will I hope to include weekly diaries. With that in mind, what have I done this week? I have had a week off work, so I didn't actually do much gardening in the way of gardening. But I did have a little run out on my push bike to get out running. I bought some new grips for my handlebars for my push bike, set up the panniers on my push bike. So next week I am going to be cycling to work, which will save money and also get me fit as I go. And the fitter I am, the more I'll be able to cut grass and be more effective at what I do. I'll also hope to include, with some research, a weekly gardening almanac. Now, I need to do quite a bit more research on this, but that's what I'm thinking. So, almanacs typically give ideas of what needs to be done, what preparation needs to be done, what seeds and plants need to be planted, what plants need to be pruned, and such like and so forth. So that's what I'm looking for in the future. That will hopefully turn into a nice little podcast sort of scenario where I research what books are saying and take it from there. That could also get quite debatey. That's pretty much that for the moment. Farewell. That's all for the first voiceover, with possible debate on what this will be titled in the long term. No idea yet. That's it. I'm going to insert some catchy comment here, and later.